Hello students, this is chapter first of class 9th CG board cartography and the study of map. So first of all, what is the cartography? Cartography is the uh, study of drawing maps. Maps को draw करने की जो टेक्निक है उसको हम cartography कहते हैं. In this chapter, first of all we will learn about the direction. So there are mainly four directions. This is east, opposite this west, then upward side north and downward side south. Okay, now see, in between north and east there is northeast. Okay, in between south and east there is southeast. In between south and west there is southwest, and in between north and west there is northwest. Now how many direction is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Other than this we can further divide this direction. Look how, in between this will be north northeast. Similarly this will be east northeast. This will be east southeast. This will be south southeast. This will be south southwest. Here west southwest. Here west northwest. In between this north northwest. So finally we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 direction. Okay, now see how we can use the direction in our maps. Suppose this is the map of the country, our country India. We will put this direction in the center of the map. Now see, which is the north area? This is the northern India, East India, this one Bangladesh, Bangladesh, and in India West Bengal area. West part is Gujarat, Rajasthan. Then south part is this Tamil Nadu, Kerala. And if we talk about northeast area, see, this goes to Assam area, northwest Rajasthan area, southwest Maharashtra, Karnataka area. Similarly, we can divide India into 16 different directions. Okay. Now, student, we will see if we talk about this direction into degree, this create how much degree? If we start from north, we always consider north as a 0 degree. Then from here to here it is 90, 180, 270 and 360 डिग्री. टोटली कितना हो गया? हाउ मच? ये टोटल हो गया 360 डिग्री. ठीक है. डायरेक्शन को ऑलवेज नॉर्थ को हम 0 डिग्री लेके चलेंगे. ठीक है. अब सपोज किसी एंगल का हमको डायरेक्शन निकालना है. ठीक है. तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे डायरेक्शन? उसके लिए हमको चाहिए एक कंपास चाहिए. ठीक है. कंपास की हेल्प से हम कैसे निकालेंगे देखते हैं. जैसे सपोज ये एक डायरेक्शन है. ठीक है. इसको थोड़ा और बड़ा कर लेते हैं. सपोज now we have to find out the direction angle between angle of this A. Okay, so what we have learned, First we will do the compass north to the 0 degree. Here, so in the compass it is 355, I am moving it to the right. Now it is 360 degree or 0 degree. Okay, it is pointed at the north. Now I have to move the compass in right direction. I will measure, and I will move the compass in the left direction. See, I will move the compass in the right direction always. See, north direction is fixed here, and I will check this direction. When it meets to the D direction, that will be our angle. Now see, I think this is the point. This angle is meeting with this line, and this is to the north, so this angle is nearly 57 degree. Okay, and what about B? So again I am moving it further. I am rotating and try to bring this point to the here side. Putting north constant. Now see, north is here, this point is meet with this point. Here we get 229 degree. So this is 229 degree. In this manner we can find the angle. And what about the direction? Put this here. This is totally northeast, and this is south southwest. So we can say that south southwest 229 degree, northeast 57 degree. Okay, in this manner we can find any direction and the angle between them. So in next chapter we will discuss further later.